Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about an AP unit. If you replace the belt on it, and you might have a hard time starting it. So, like it will try to start it, will start. What I end up finding is, if you take this flap off, this is what provides the air to the engine. And put your hand there to block the airflow, it starts right away. This is something I found out today. I'm sharing it with you guys. This is an older tripod. I'm pretty sure it will work for a newer one too. So this is the air intake hose. You unclamp it right there, take it out. You can block the airflow with your hand, and it starts right away. Hopefully this information helps you guys. If you like what I put on the channel, please like, share, subscribe. And also, I had an oil pan that was leaking. This is what I ended up doing. I put a gasket on it. It's called, let me see if I can find it. Just a second. This is the gasket I use. Basically on the nut, I pull a lot of it and then I put it back on. You need to leave that empty for 12 hours at least so it dries up. Now I don't have a leak, so this stuff really works. If you got an APU nut, oil drain nut that leaks, use this one and it will help you a lot. I even installed a new nut. It did not help, so I just put a lot of it this on the threads and put it back on and left it for 12 hours, then add the oil back in, and it works really good. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the ring button. You guys have a good day. Bye bye.